Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video on this absolutely stunning Harley-Davidson Softail Lowrider S. Here we have a Harley-Davidson FXLRS Softail Lowrider S 114. This is a 2021 bike on a 21 plate with just 452 miles and one owner from new. This bike is in outstanding condition. It comes fitted with a number of accessories. I'm sure you've already spotted the Sundowner seat and backrest. The pipes are standard and all in fantastic condition. That rear mudguard there, all absolutely tip top, as you'd expect for just 452 miles. Rear tyre, loads of life left on it there, and the wheel, no dings, dents, scrapes, scratches. Likewise on that swing arm there, all absolutely tip top. There's the 114 moniker, so you know it's the big engine, 1868 in modern money. Mid-mount pegs, of course, on this cruiser. And you've got the engine bars fitted. There's also Willy G grips. No damage to the bar ends, the mirrors or the levers there, and the forks are in tip-top condition as well. No stone chips, marks, scratches, dents or otherwise, and the front tyre, of course, with just 400 miles. Absolutely loads of life left in that. Front mudguard, no corrosion, no signs of stone chips, dings, dents, scratches or otherwise. Likewise, the nose cone there, all in really good condition. Of course, the bike does have the Harley-Davidson immobiliser as well. Left-hand side of the bike, that's as clean and tidy as the right, and no marks, scrapes or scratches on those mirrors, bar ends or levers, or the engine bars there on this side. All your engine absolutely unmarked, and those foot pegs really nice in the black. Fully blacked out this one. There you go. You can see your Optimate charging lead there as well, so you can keep the battery in tip-top condition. All the paintwork super shiny. Looking great in this black. I say I love this blacked out look, it's fantastic. Belt drive, of course, with this being a Harley-Davidson, as you can see there. There's those passenger pegs. They look like accessory pegs to me. I'm not an expert, but they do look like accessory pegs. There's all your dials and everything on the tank, and where the clock's where you think the clock should be. That's just your nose cone fairing. So those Willy G grips, they do look to be heated as well. There's the controls on the handlebar there. All your trip computer, hazard warning lights, and on and off switch. All the seat, again, no damage, no rips, tears, scuffs or otherwise. It's an absolutely beautiful machine this. If you're looking for a blacked out cruiser, then this Harley-Davidson Lowrider S could very well be the bike for you. So let's fire this one up and have a listen. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with the current MOT, the service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this stunning Softail, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.